Hello guys, we're in another video. So let's experiment some engines. So this is prototype 1. Just gonna shake it. Okay. Oops. Only professionals do this. Whoa! See that? See those? Oh, very hot. Just shake it. Yes. Don't do this at home. Only professionals only this. Oops. It just broke. Okay. Let's just make some space. So disappointing. So, where is this? Oh my god, why is it so windy? Okay. Ah! Why is it so hard? Hey, back on track. That's the coolest thing I ever did for today, guys. See you on the next video.